Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to upload a Canva design to Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Whether we're saving our work for backups or sharing it with others, this method makes file management quick and easy. On our Canva dashboard, we open the design we want to upload. Once we're done editing, we need to download it first. All we have to do is click Share, then click Download. Here, we can choose the format and quality we want. Then, click Download. Now we just wait for the file to finish downloading. Once it's done, we click on the downloaded file to confirm it's there. Next, on our browser, we open a new tab and go to Google Drive at google.com.drive. Once we're there, we click New, then File Upload. We select the file we downloaded earlier and wait for it to upload. Once it's done, the file will appear in our Google Drive. And that's it. That's how we upload our Canva designs to Google Drive.
It's a simple way to keep our files organized and easy to access anytime.